Exposing the secrets in fitness. These 3 steps will transform your routine. Step 1, move more, sit less. Yeah, it sounds obvious, but it's super effective. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity each day. Walking, dancing, even gardening. It all counts. Step 2, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is your best friend. It helps with digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and boosts your overall energy. Try to drink at least 8 glasses a day. Carry a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. Step 3, don't skip on sleep. Your body needs rest to recover and grow stronger. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Turn off those screens an hour before bed and create a relaxing bedtime routine. And there you have it. Move more, hydrate well, and get enough sleep. 3 simple steps to a fitter, healthier you. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with these habits and you'll see results before you know it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy fitness tips. Stay active, stay healthy, and see you next time.